What's good, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know you see it. I know you see it. But we're going to do something special. This hair that I have is from Annmode. It's the kinky curly hair. I already did a video on it. All the details will be in the description box. I washed it, cold washed it, let it air dry. And yes, you see that subscribe button? Before we even go any further, make sure you subscribe because I don't hear the ding. Subscribe. All right, let's continue on. I'm doing wand curls on this hair, and I thought it would look nice doing wand curls on this hair because it has that kinky texture. The wand that I'm using is the Remington. I'll put the information in the description box where I purchased it from. So just basically did wand curls all the way to the top. Here, I actually cut off the ends because the ends didn't look too good. If you can see, I'll show you. See how the end is it's like stringy. So I just cut it off to make it look nice and neat. And again, I'm just wand curling it all the way up to the top.
Two hours later.
Hey everyone, this is Keisha. Welcome back to my channel. And this is what I'm working with. The hair that I have in my hair is from Annmode, and it's the Kinky, I believe it's the Brazilian Kinky curly hair. I'm not sure if it's Brazilian, but I'll post details of the hair in the description. I'll also post the link up top as far as the actual review that I did on this hair. So the hair that I have in my hair is from Annmode. I purchased this hair on Aliexpress. All the details again will be in the description box. I'll post the link above as far as the original video that I did. And why did I decide to do wand curls? I just felt like this hair would look nice as wand curls. Basically, I washed the hair and I let it air dry and I let it go. I let it curl back into its natural state. In order for me to achieve this, I actually brushed out or combed out the hair, and I did it section by section, which, baby, I would not suggest you doing that because it took me every bit of the year. It gave me hell. I'm gonna say that. It gave me hell. I would recommend you, I will blow dry, but not on high heat because you don't want it super straight. You just want to blow dry just enough to get the kinks out, but you don't want it like straight. because I like the texture it gives when you just comb it out. But it took me, I didn't put anything on the product except for some spritz, and then when I ran out of spritz, I started using the Got To Be lightly on every section. As I started getting closer to the top of the head, I actually sprayed some of this towards the top of the track where it's sewn at, so I can get it nice and smooth, because I didn't want it too like bulky up in here. So it's pretty much flat. In the middle of the hair, I will curl the hair one way for one section, and then my next piece I'll curl it the other way until I got to the top, and I made sure I tried to curl the hair away from my face. This took me a couple of hours to do. Could be the reason why, because wand curls takes a minute, so I give it to any cosmetologist who perform wand curls or crimps on a client, because it's going to take you every bit of hell, it's going to take you forever and ever and ever. And this took me, and this gave me every bit of hell to do. Will I do it again? Hell to the no. I'm a Christian, but hell is in the Bible, and to the no. Hell to the no.
Hell no, to the no, no, no.
Make sure you like this video, you subscribe, you turn on notification, and leave your girl a comment. And make sure you share this video. Other than that, hope you guys have an amazing day, and see you next time.